Hey guys, so today I have a timer and a bunch of Rubik's Cubes. So I'm going to mix them all up, what I'm going to do, and see how many cubes I can solve in an hour. So let's get started. So I scrambled a little less than 30, so I'm going to solve them and I'll see you at the end. So we're about 10 minutes and I just finished my second cube. As you can see, that cube was kind of difficult for me. It was because it was only 3 cards instead of 6, but I'll keep going and I'll see you at 20 minutes. So I've solved about 8 cubes in about 20 minutes, so I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm going to skip about 20 minutes of the video, so I'll see you towards the end of the video.
A few moments later.
you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so that was it. I still had 4 more cubes to do, but I solved 26 in an hour.
26 in an hour. 26 in an hour.
But not too bad, but not too good. This one, right here, I was having trouble with, because of the only 3 colors instead of 6. But other than that, it was pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.